Oh, I might have just brought the same one. Oh no, we might be stitched up. Get whacked in the face. Unless you like getting whacked off in the face. And right now you're thinking, holy shit, this is looking rough. You're right. We have two Hyundais here. This one I brought for about $1,500 and it looked really good except for every little scratch and dent on it. That's okay. And then this one popped up and I went, oh my God, front end's perfect. The front door's just a bit pulled forward. So I brought that one today. Cost me $1,280, guys. Bargain. Pretty much we're just gonna grab the stuff behind the bumper, the radiator support, the radiator, the all that kind of stuff, whatever, and we're gonna put it on this one and that one's done. Tidy it up, make it look mint, and give it away to somebody I know. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that one in the shed, we're gonna strip the front end off that one, and then we're gonna take this one in the shed, strip this one, and put it all on that car. It'll be kind of quick because I don't have time to be doing it. Because, you know, in the real world, you gotta make money, guys, gotta make money. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna knock these couple of bad boys off. Now we're gonna chuck everything up there because, you know, that's what I do. And we just pop this, and then we go a bit higher. Let's take the headlights out where we're going. So chuck the bolts up there. So I wanna get home as quick as possible. And plus I've got a lot of servicing to do tonight, so. Whoa. Whoa, was that tab broken? No. All right, so we'll quickly just unplug the headlights, like so. A bit rough there, Dino, a bit rough. It doesn't matter, guys, being a bit rough does not mean anything. All right, slide them down. All righty, oh, look at it. It's almost ready to go, mate. We can almost sell it now. A couple of 10 mils, guys. Now, the problem with Hyundais, when you lift on the hoist, the shockies lock out. So you got a 99% chance or 100% chance that the shockies will lock out as soon as you lift them up, and then you need to replace them. I'm gonna give this car to somebody I know. For their car, we're gonna repaint the whole car, and the AC doesn't work, and it doesn't have ABS braking. You know, it's just an old Hyundai Getz. And this will suit them. This will suit them very, very well. So I think this is a beautiful car. Just needs a bit of love, guys. Now we come back down. So it's 2 screws, guys. That's it. Let's see. It's hard to get off. Oh, and she's off. Now this bumper, I reckon will come up nice. I honestly think. Let's look at the damage, all right? This little bottom winging thing, in the bin. This bit here, in the bin. This bit, whatever that is, in the bin. All right, guys, so this whole piece comes down here, goes across, missing here, and it's bent back here. That is the piece we have to replace. So the radiator is attached to this. It's like the housing of the radiator, holds all the bonnet stuffy open. So what we'll do, because it didn't hit all here, oh, nah, that looks normal. Oh, I might have tapped it a little bit, but yeah, anyway, it looks like it's a little tap, but it's 100% sent all this in, like they've hit something under here. So we'll quickly pull this off, push the car out, push the other one in, and yeah, we'll swap it all over. Let's go. Once again, put that up there, because I want to keep all this stuff. Now wiring. Only bit of wiring will probably be for the airbag side of things. Airbags did not go off, thank God. Now I have not checked all the seat belts. If the seat belts are dangling, they're buggered, they're going off, so we're gonna replace them. When I say dangling, if that's not the word you like, go watch somebody who says the right things. Because this fella does not. Guys, all we need to do is replace this damage and we're cherry up. And I reckon by 8 o'clock we'll have this done. Now this is the airbag side of things. I'm pretty sure that's airbag. So what we're gonna do is just disconnect the battery. And I can hear you going, how are you gonna make money when you're giving this car away? So we only need the front bits of this car. The rest of the car, we can actually strip, put on eBay and sell every part, or buy another car where we can use those parts on it. You know what I mean? So once again, up there. So when you undo it, don't put your face like me near it, because if it does go off, you're gonna get whacked in the face. Unless you like getting whacked off in the face, you don't need a rattle gun. I'm just lazy. I'm a lazy man. Yeah, as you can see, all that just moved. Did not expect that to happen yet. Ooh. All right, so that's off. Very nice. I thought that would have let go. Now, you should just pull these little pins and pull that without breaking it. Because I really wanna keep that, all right? I know that's being cheap, but my second name is cheap. Being the cheap, no, it's not, but I don't want to regas it, all right? That's one thing shits me in this world. The price of regas. Take them off, we don't need them. Where we're going, boys, we don't need no. Oh, fuck, guys, it's still full. The radiator's not even broken. So we could have just left all that on. You're joking me. You might not have one of these bad boys, but I do. And I don't want to frown tonight. So we're gonna go. Woo! That's all right, I thought I went to the AC hose then. And this should release from this once I go like this. Right now you're thinking, holy shit, this is looking rough. You're right. But who cares? All right, so we'll replace that piece. So look at that. Beautiful, mate. Oh, that one's a bit bent. So how do we fix that? What do you reckon? A big hammer. We'll give it one tap over here. We're done. Now let's get this car down, get the other car. Actually, do you think I should just do it on the ground? Maybe I should take the other one apart first, but whatever. The wheels are towed in. Maybe this did have a front end accident, eh? That cheeky bastard. Do you reckon that's good enough? I really do. It's good enough, let's do it. You guys probably think that's crazy, but you know what I reckon? I want to get home to my family tonight, so I think that's spot on. Let's strip this, get the parts for that. Let's do it. Oh no, guys. I might have just brought the same one. Same situation. Because it doesn't matter, we're just going to throw that up there. But these headlights are already, oh no, we might be stitched up. She might have already had a smash in its last life. Banana brass. Anyway, this is why we do it. I'll still get my money back on the engine and the gearbox if I have to. Don't want to. Stuff when you don't need to. Oh, she's down, bruh, she's down. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Yeah. All right, that's good. The bobber lip is cherry ripe, so I'm happy about that.
Bottom of the ninth, up against the odds, running out of time, only got one shot. When it's really do or die, when your back's against the wall, when you fighting for your life, do you believe in you or not? I'm a believer, I believe. I'm a believer, I believe. You don't think you're a fighter, but I know you are. And you are a liar if you say you are. You don't think that you're worth it, but I think you're wrong. And I think you're
Into my day. So now this car, we're done with it. If you have made it this far in the video, I am giving this car to somebody I know. But if you are watching this, if you made it this far, do you think I should wear a camera on me instead of doing this far away so you can actually see what I'm physically doing? bit of evidence, bit of feedback would be nice, because, you know, I'm just doing this for fun and hopefully teach you guys something, but it feels like you're so far away, I'm not really teaching you anything. But I'm teaching you in probably 20 minutes, that'll be 1 hour. Actually 10 minutes of 1 hour done. So 1 hour, we're halfway. Well, technically halfway, so see if we can get it back together and get going. Righty, I think that's good enough. Let's take it out. Let's rip this radiator out, mate. Let's be done with it. That's it, she's out. Oh, the tranny fluid does not look good. The tranny fluid looks a bit burnt. Now my shoe is covered. A bit more juju. Whew. I know this doesn't matter, but maybe, no. I thought it might help me hold her in there a bit better. Woo! Get my oil lines where they're meant to be. I don't know why, but my oil lines don't reach. Oh, that'd be why. Because some clown plugged them in. Now, there are white lines on genuine stuff to line up where they're meant to be. Make sure you don't listen to that. Now, it's got a little bend in it, nothing major. Oh, I love when a plan comes together, you know, like. And this could have went to shit. I tell you, it would have went to shit. Anyway, I'm happy with that. You happy with that? I am. Now, we make sure, now, every radiator has a rubber on the bottom, and on the bottom, that one does not have one. So, this is what I'm talking about. That little rubber sits on the bottom. See, then I was about to give a top one to the bottom when we needed this one, not that one. So you gotta always check, guys. I like double check, triple check. If you ask some people, I check too much. They reckon I double check, triple check, quadruple. I don't wash my hands so I don't leave prints everywhere. It's 10 to 7, guys. 10 to 7, let's do this. Make sure we got battery, everything's, well, we're good. Hope this quality of video is getting better. Probably not, but who cares? All right, so the top of the radiator mounted differently, so it doesn't really matter. Let's get some bolts. Remember, we put them on each side, so we'll get one for this side. Put them on my mouth. Feel, oh, that's dirty. Mate, where else has your mouth been, eh? Eh? You can't even tell I bent that straight, you know? It looks cherry ripe. All right. So I lift it up, make sure the bottom ones are in. Oh, mamma mia. It fell out. All right. Whew. It's a bit of a stitch up, wasn't it? Hey? We're getting there, guys. So now we just double check. We make sure they're in the bottom, they're in the bottom. That's beautiful, guys, absolute beautiful. We grab our other ones. It was a weird, really long 10 mil at the top. I don't know why, but that will center it perfect for us. Now I know these videos aren't perfect, guys. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, no one's perfect, guys. We're all human, all right? So if you think you can do better, do better. But I would, if you guys have any ideas to make these videos a lot better. Now, this is why I keep them all in the same spot. Pretty sure I just, but anyway, I'm not gonna check. I could have just dropped it somewhere by accident. What do you reckon? Looking good? You want to go to the bigger gun? Nah, you end up stripping things, bro. All right, we're looking good. We're looking cherry right, guys. All right, I think we move on to some wiring quickly so we don't forget. This wiring goes up there. Oh, that was the wrong one. All right, let's put the bumper back on. Now we put these top ones in to hold the bumper, because we put our stuff back to where we want it. All right, let's not talk for a minute. Let's just get some bolties in there, because, you know, how much I love talking. Oh, you know, I did forget to do. Oh, what a pelican head. Ah, pelican head. Forgot to hook up. This is the one thing, if you do forget something and it's something major, sometimes, guys, you'll be doing the whole thing again because you stuffed it up. Trust me, done it many times. All right, so that feels legit. It looks good. Gapping's good. All right. So we're going to take it up, put those couple of bits underneath. We're done. Never had such a tight bumper. And I just broke it. Oh, that sucks, bro. Because I forgot to do something, I broke it, taking it back off. What an amateur. Get our stuff we pulled off this one. So we'll quickly chop this bit of plastic. We're going to swap it with that one later, not tonight. Tonight was just to get her, make sure we had a humdinger. Well, guys, now it's all back together. Obviously, I want to get some more plastics off the bottom of that one and put them under here. They're the ones with side bits. They come across. Side bit come across, all the bolts are there. Look, that's pretty much it. We'll put some brand new tyres on her, full dual roadworthy on it, and find out what else is wrong with it. But guys, I could show you exactly what's going on. The wheel alignment looks mint on this one, so I reckon put some new tyres on it. We'll probably even drop some mags on it. I've got some mags over there. Put some mags, some new tyres on it. We'll polish her up. We'll polish her up tomorrow. And then I reckon that's it. And then we're going to give it to the, then we're going to give it away. We're going to give it away to somebody I know, and we're good to go. But that's pretty much it. Like, what's it? It is now 7:30, guys. All I need to do now is just drop it down. All right, what has it been? 2 hours. We're finally done. $1,500 to get some parts for that, but that car is fully complete. All we need to do is put some tyres on there, get the headlights looking good, give it a good polish, make it look smick, and we're done. And if we'll do our engine, oil filter, cabin filter, air filter, and transmission fluid and kit. And if there's any issues, we've got spare parts here. But that's it, guys. Hope you have a great day. See you next week for another video.